Hi, I'm Mackenzie.
I'm Shelby.
I'm Taylor.
And we're broadcasting live at the Grand River where thunderstorms have just started and people are freaking out.
Flooding can also occur from hurricanes or heavy precipitation.
This also happened a couple years ago with flooding in the Mississippi River.
The thunderstorms have just started and there's a high chance that flooding will occur. So stay tuned for more information. The thunderstorms are really strong now. And it's very, very cold. A flood is starting to occur. And it's very wet. And you can hear the water. There's lots of precipitation occurring. So stay tuned for more information. Hi, we're at the Grand River again. And the rain has stopped.
It's flooding now. So we're having fun and we're coping with what they gave us.
And this is all we have to cope with.